Hey, family. It's Dr. Monica Andrews coming to you from the Divine Order Network. I'm very excited to be here with you today. What I want to talk to you about right now is credit. Over the last almost 10 years, I have had numerous conversations with my clients on this particular topic. So I want to make sure that the world knows, okay? So when you're talking about credit and your credit score and increasing your credit score, one of the things that we want to really understand is you need to use it. You need to use it. Like taking a test. This is what I always tell people. It's like taking a test. So think about this. Whenever you're in school, and everybody's been to school somewhere, right? Some class, I don't care what grade it is, but you want to get 100 on that test. So when you get 100 on that test, what do you have to do? You have to put your name on a paper, don't we? Write your name on the paper so that way they know who the 100 goes to, or whatever your grade is that you get, okay? And then from putting your name on the paper, what do you have to do? You have to start answering the questions. What does that mean? When you're answering the questions, now, whether it's multiple choice, fill in the blank, with it matching, whatever it is, you have to start actually participating in answering the questions in order to get that 100%. You want to answer all the questions to get the 100%. So it's kind of like that with credit. How? You've got to use credit to get your score up. I mean, I didn't even understand this at first, okay, because I had my credit, cleaned up, and I had a bankruptcy, Chapter 7 bankruptcy on my credit report, and that credit report, in fact, it was in the 500s when I first started, January 2010, okay, and why? Because I wasn't using the credit. So I got the bankruptcy off and so forth, but it was in the high fives. Not until I started using credit and using it the right way. So we have to take the test, ladies and gentlemen. Take the test. What does that mean? We got to get positive, active trade lines on our credit report. Yeah. Yep. The more positive, active trade lines on your credit report, the better your score is going to be. And the longer that it's on there, the better your score is going to be. Okay? So I want to make sure I share that with you. You have to use credit. Credit is not bad. It's a great thing when you're taught to use it the right way. And we can actually help you with that. We can help you learn how to use it the right way. Again, that's what I do with my clients. I show them how to not just get into whatever their goal is, get into their home, get into their car, make sure that their job, my bad, I forgot to turn the ringer off here. But I know it's one of my clients calling. But anyway, what I wanted to make sure is that you all are aware of that. And if you found this information helpful, I can show you how to use that credit and use it the right way, such that you're not spending any additional income, not any additional money buying things that you don't need, don't want, aren't going to use, okay? But you're using it to get your score where it needs to be. Up and away. So if you found this helpful, do me a favor and subscribe to our YouTube channel. I'll be doing more videos like this and with more nuggets based on what it is that you'd like to know. Also, if you like to find out more about what we do, because we're about putting money back in your pocket, feel free to go to our website, divineordernetwork.com. Again, that's divineordernetwork.com. Okay, divineordernetwork.com. Or if you're really serious about making a difference, give me a call or a text on 202-579-9706. Again, that's 202-579-9706. Thank you. See you next time.